Entering 657 call. I'm trying to get it below 40 cents. It's at 37 here. Leaning into the trend. Hour and a half left. Let's go. Haven't entered yet though, just wait. $6.57 calls, 30 cents. I'm looking for an entry somewhere. Maybe even a 6.56. Just wait. I have 12 minutes to enter. I just entered the 657 call, 37 cents. Boom. 653, 33. I entered the 657 call, 37 cents. 1 out of 2 trades. Order filled at 36 cents for the 657 call. Send it. Already up $30. Boom. I'm not taking profit though. You know what I'm doing. This is nothing. It's just getting started. Still up $10. Need over 656. 655, 656, looking for that. Run it back. Run it back. Send it. We can't stop. We can't stop. 15 minutes till power hour. We're not even there yet. All right, well, let's let it keep going. That's enough. I can't let it run too long. Still in the trade. I'm waiting for it to break that 655 level for me to do anything about it. I really want to see it over 656 though. I'm looking for a push, looking for the rally. So it is what it is. See what happens. I'm waiting for that bigger push. It was a nice little jump there, but it didn't really do much. We need to get over that 655 level there, clearly in 656. Just want to see it go higher here. That's it. Got a little long there. Contract's not really doing much. We need to go higher. We need to pump it up here. So just patience game here. Contract's at 50 cents, so it is up, but it's only up like 10 bucks, so it's nothing. Like I said, I'm looking to take 2 trades, 40 bucks each at the max. Looking for a 50% win rate, which is pretty obvious or evident. And as long as that holds, as long as I get capture a 2-to-1 trade, then it should be relatively decent and worth it. And I'm leaning into the trend. I want to go long here, so I'm already long 67 call. I had purchased it for 36 cents. It's already at 50, but we got a great push there. I don't know how high the contracts went. I don't think they did 100%, but I do think that we will push over 655 and 656. I'm not saying we're going to make a new high of day 658, but I do think we will make it back over 656 here soon. 10 minutes until the power hour, and I'm looking for a decent move like that, closer towards the 657, which is the contract strike that I have, over 656 in the next, like, probably needs to happen sooner than later. So I don't know. It depends on the way the contracts move and the way that the price moves here. So if we can get that move sooner, then it's more ideal. If not, then I may look for another entry, or I don't know. I'm gonna try to be patient though. I'm not really trying to take 2 trades at once, so I'm gonna keep this trade. I believe this is the right trade, but if anything were to happen, then I could take another one. So that's the point. So anyways, let it play out. I may have to bring the pump it up back, but for now, 10 minutes until power hour. Just let it continue. So far, it's performing decently, but we got to reclaim that 655 and 6. That's next. So we need momentum, and we need that volume to continue to pour in as it did just a minute ago. Big green volume bar right there just came in. Let's see where it goes. That's a big, I see big volume right there. Maybe it's a glitch, but I see big green volume coming in. Send it. I got a ways to go. Losing 654, that's no good. Don't want to lose that. It's the 21 EMA. It's right on 654. We don't want to lose that. Wouldn't be good. Got a big volume bar there for no reason. No move to company. Pulling back. Well, let's see how far it pulls back before it bounces here. Don't know why it's pulling back. Doesn't need to do that, but whatever. Now it's 10 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock, hour before the market closes. So we have entered power hour. Now I'm looking for the move over 656. And honestly, the contract probably needs to go at the money or in the money 657 call for it to actually do anything. It doesn't look like it's kind of going the opposite direction now, so I don't know. Let me see what the contract is at. It's down to 29. Wow. Okay. Interesting. Down to 29 from 36. Okay. These contracts are still expensive. Yeah, this is not ideal. What is this? Okay. Bunch of red candles on the 1 minute chart below the 21. Retesting the VWAP here would kill every trade. Well, that's not looking too good on the 1 minute chart. Okay. Down $10 on the 657 call. Zero confirmation, zero momentum. A whole hour? Shoot. The 1 minute chart just like, it's gross, honestly. This 1 minute chart is just gross to look at. I can't even look at that. Yeah, that's not good. What do you know? The problem is I don't see a short. I mean, I'm not going to short this above the VWAP. And even if we break the VWAP, it's going to still be a hard short. So it's like, what am I supposed to do? If my call is going to get cooked and I have to stop out of that, like, the only opportunity left will be literally trading the 10 minute. Man, my phone. I don't know what's happening. None of my. I need new equipment. I need to make money so I can buy a new phone, so I can buy a new laptop, so I can do a bunch of stuff. Like, I can't even like barely operate with everything that I have. Like, it's just, what the hell, man. My phone is like almost broken already. Like, I've had this phone for like 7 years. This iPhone is like melting, and it's from notifications. Only thing I'm doing is just looking at an option chain on Thinkorswim. Oh man, it just hurts. I need a new phone. Like, I need the things that I'm using to actually work, so that I don't. It's just like too much. Anyways, I really like, based on that. Like, there's really no reason to go short. Obviously, I said there was no reason to go long earlier, and look what happened. I got destroyed. Well, I didn't take a trade, but the chart destroyed me all the way up. Made it pointless to even continue. But now, if we were to go lower, it'd be the same thing. If we were to go down to the VWAP, we'd be cooked. There's no trades except for the 10-minute trigger, whatever, at the last 10 minutes of the day. You may be able to catch something, but that's like, the risk is stupid. It's not really worth it. That's why I'm trying to enter here and catch the move higher. But I already took the entry. It's kind of like break even, down a little, couple dollars right here, but the contracts are priced weird. Anyways, we really need a big push higher. If not, then it's gonna be, I don't know, the trades don't really look too good on the downside. We're above the VWAP. We haven't lost the VWAP pretty much all day now. I'm just looking for like an end of day rally. Still down $6, but contracts just basically break even, like down to what, 5-10%. It's at 655 and that 656 level that we need to just get through. Just need to pass it, surpass that with real momentum. Past couple hours has been dead, so now it's time for us to get the move into the end of the day, into the weekend, to Good Friday. Go up higher, close higher. Maybe not at the high, but closing higher than we are now, or almost towards the high day. Ideally, all the way to 657. I think that's reasonable, but that's just the trade that I'm taking in the trade 657. Volatility, bring volatility. So I need a 2-to-1 return ratio on the trade with a 50% win rate. If I'm taking 2 trades with half of my account, basically you're $40 each. Which is basically the only way I can manage risk with this type of environment. So we need to get a move. If the move doesn't happen, then the strategy is kind of invalidated. The only way the strategy works is if we actually get a move that returns a 2-to-1. So this contract for $40, but call it $40, needs to go to about $80 or 75 at minimum for this to make sense for my strategy here, to actually mathematically be reasonable at all. So we probably need to make it all the way up to 656 and above, at least, for this contract to do that, I would think. Or at least something around there, yeah. Around 656 is where we need to make it to here for that to make sense. And if not, then I would have to look for an entirely different trade. But there's only 52 minutes left in the market day, so looking for that momentum to kick in somewhere here. to play the game. Depending on how this works though, because this could fail, but I will say, if we're getting closer towards like midway through power hour and then we start breaking up, if we start breaking above the 654.87 or that 655 area, and we show the confirmation there, if that were to happen, then and the contract still is around my break even or below, then I may double down on the contract with the confirmation as long as it's there. But it probably, maybe it won't happen like that. I don't know. I want to kind of, capitalize on what would be the final day of the month for me to really take advantage of this full focus. Because anyways, next week I'm not going to be gone. I'm still going to be able to trade a couple days a week at least, but I'm not going to be here 5 days a week and spending as much time on the charts. I'm going to be spending less time on the charts, more time off the charts, studying and working and being busy, writing, doing a lot of things like that. And I'll spend less time and be there for like an hour at a time, probably just power hour or the open or before lunch, and then just try to look for scalps in that way and try to reduce risk over time and try to get to the point where I can actually take smaller positions that are basically meaningless and giving myself room for error, allowing myself to be correct or even profit when you're wrong. There's a lot of situations that I just can't afford to I can't afford to do. There's a lot of things that make it difficult to trade. There's 1,000 reasons why trading with a small amount of capital is more difficult than trading with a bunch of capital. And to be profitable with $100,000 account, if you're not a total idiot, is extremely more reasonable than doing so with a $100 account. So that's why this trading account, this example, is showing the difficulty, what it really takes. It's not easy. You will fail. I've already had to reset the account once. After the first week, I took a couple trades and got cooked the first 2 trades. So it's like, that's just what it is. It's the reality. This is what it is. So we're getting a little move here. So I don't know. The thing is, it's at break even. I could enter another contract here. I don't really want to be too too greedy, but we haven't even got the move. I mean, we did get a move initially, and that's kind of what I'm counting on. But man, it's just been kind of a slow month. It is what it is. I have to show the process, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just documenting my process and my mindset and all my trades, basically. That's what I'm doing here. But anyway, so okay, let me switch this up. Hold on. Oh, man, I don't mean to open Apple TV. Is everything good? Hold up. Hold up. Oh, wait. How much buying power do I have left? I have $47.85 left. I'm up $4.50, 12.5% from $36 on the 657 call on SPY. We're starting to get what I want to see. This is what I want to see. Oh, I might even double down on this position just because. Holy. It's at 43 though. It's up. Oh no. I'm not gonna be able to double tap. I'm probably just gonna have to keep it. Look for that 2-to-1, like I said, and I'm not gonna risk another position on the same trade. That's not my plan, okay? If I did that, if I added another contract right now for above my entry price, and we're still not above 655, I would be an idiot. And I would be asking to lose more than I want. I'm just not gonna do it. It's that break even. Spend it. Spend it. Where's the 655 break? Boom, come on, bring it. Where it is, where is it? So I gotta actually buy some stocks right now. I forgot I have $200 in buying power in my account. Let me buy some stocks. Let me let this run. I'm gonna look. I'm just gonna add a couple shares here. So I'm gonna pump the market myself. Okay, I'm not just buying options right now. I'm about to buy shares in my long term. Let me look. Where we at? Intel 5.9 shares. Send it. Okay, here. I'm gonna buy the market. I got money to invest. Holy crap. I'm already up 30% on Intel, but fuck it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is happening? Why does this does it have more buying power than I expected? What's going on? Hold on, I'm down 56% on Weevil, bro. I have Weevil shit. I gotta buy a few just cause I'm down 50%. Weevil's not gonna do much. But man, actually, my phone is tripping. Like it's not letting buy. Let me see. Yeah, let me buy some shares. Let me buy some shares here. Let me buy what? Shoot. Buy six shares of Weevil right here. Okay, entered. Purchase 6 shares of Weevil at $4.81. What's next? I gotta buy Intel. Intel. Okay, I'm just gonna buy 1 share of Intel at $49.54. Enter that. I just bought Intel $49.54, just 1 share. Add it to my collection. What's next? Oklo, nuclear fusion reactor company, doing deals in the past 2 weeks. I'm down 30. My phone is so slow. Okay. I am down. I'm down 53% on Oklo. My average price is $103. It's at 48. Okay, great. That's wonderful. So I'm gonna put the rest of my buying power into that on this account and then do the other account. $20. So 0.415 shares. 0.415 shares of Oklo purchased for $48.20. Entered. Okay, now the longer term, the even longer term. Okay, Nike, PayPal are destroyed. I have more Weevil over here. Oh no. Oh, I have Marvell. I forgot. I need to buy Marvell. I bought a starter position. Marvell, 92 billion market cap. Okay, whatever. I'm buying Marvell. $50 of Marvell at $106.13. Copped it. Boom, I'm in Marvell. And of course, I think Tesla. I gotta just put the rest in Tesla. Okay, Tesla's down $15 today. I'm putting everything else in Tesla. $55 on Tesla here. 0.15 shares at $365.57 on Tesla. I know it's really overvalued. I get it. I know most people probably hate that. It's a dumb investment, whatever. I'm in Tesla for a different reason, for a long term, like for the abundance thesis. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. I'm in Tesla for that. I might sound dumb, but I have like 20 other positions, okay? AMD's up 50%. I got NVIDIA up 1,000,000%. Okay, just understand that. Let's get back to pumping. Come on. Do I have to enter another contract? Take that risk? I don't want to, but I'm not even really tripping. The market's not pumping yet. Where's the move? Oh, 32 minutes until close. We're not even, oh man, we're out the money. Oh no. We need to get over 656. Pump it. Where's the enthusiasm? Where's the exuberance? Where's the optimism? I'll do my part. Contracts at 40 bucks. It's still green, which is actually, I'm genuinely surprised that it's been green. I mean, we are up, but I bought it at the blue line, but I mean, we need to be over 655 and 6 for talk about profit. Where's the Momo? Where's the Momo? I'm looking for like right here, 646, like 50. I think that would make for the 2-to-1. I mean, we don't have much time. We got 30 minutes from now to make a move. Only long here. But we need to break 655 and 6. Is it gonna happen? I don't know. I'm not stopping. 30 minutes left. Don't make me double down. Don't make me do it. Where's the pump? I don't see anything. Contract's down 6.9%. Where's the pump? 25 minutes? I don't know. Momentum's dying. Oh no. Can't get away from the 21 EMA in the night. All right, we're just gonna switch it back over to here. I don't know if the pumps can happen for real. I don't know. We're at the 21 EMA holding. It's looking a little weird. It either happens or not. We either pump up to 56 or not. I'm still in the trade. I'm not, there's a reason why I took one trade with half the position. It needs to be a 2-to-1, which means the contract needs to double. It's not a guarantee. It doesn't have to, but it's out the money. And there's 20 minutes, so I don't see shorts. It's only, so I don't know. It's not ideal. Contract's down about $10 now, or 26%. No, Momo, what is this? What are we doing? One minute chart is dead. What are we doing, man? What are we doing? No pump, I can't make it happen. That's sad. Can't make it happen. No more suffering. Period. End it. "20 minutes until close." And this price action is ass. Waste of time. If I don't make money, then there was no money to make, okay? How about that? Still at down $10? I mean, what is going on? Can't even hold the 21 or the 9? With about, yeah, I don't know. 19 minutes, so close. Yeah. What? Wow. Look at that. Wow. Oh, not good. Okay then. Interesting. I don't know. Just can't happen. Just won't happen. No move. It goes up in like 2 minutes and then just nothing for an hour. Like, all right. Well, the contract's down to 22 now from 36. Yeah. Just wasted time. I mean, what am I looking at? Seriously. What am I looking at? Okay, well, I don't know. This just is not correct anymore. I'll say that this is not right anymore. With 17 minutes to close, this is where we're at. It's cooked. 100% it's cooked. I don't even know how these contracts have any value. Like, genuinely, we have 10 minutes till close, basically, and how is anything anything here? Like, as if a move is about to happen. Like, as if something's about to happen. Okay. I just don't understand how any of these contracts are even have any value. Like, who's buying this? Like, is it just algorithms? Like, are they zero sum algorithms? Like, is there just nothing else than like, why would a 656 call right here be $40? Like, what's the point? Like, why is the 657 call is still worth 24 cents and we're $3 off? Like, that's impossible. We're not going to move $3. Like, what? I honestly don't get it. But anyway, whatever. I mean, I'm feeling like, just if we can get any confirmation long, then I'll just double down and just say whatever. Let it go. But honestly, I don't know. This price action is so terrible. Wow. Literally. Wow. Unfortunate. There's like no momentum, like nothing. Like, I want to go all in and just say, fuck it. Like, that's how I feel. It's fine. But this like, what? This price action is terrible. Like, there's 15 minutes so close, and there's not an opportunity to make money either way. Like, we're not even gonna. We can't either go to 656 or 652. If not, then yeah, I'm a fool for just thinking there's going to be volume. I'm a fool for thinking that the market's going to move at the end of the day going to the long weekend. But it's not a problem. I would like for something to happen, but down $16 on the contract. My account's down to $67. Wonderful. Yikes. Oh, there's a big red candle. But there's no short. Like, this is just so terrible. Like, yeah, I don't know. Just let it do. I still have, my buying power is 47.85, so it's below $50 now. If I let this go to zero, then my account's now below 50. So it's just pretty lame. Oh no. Wow. There's no trade. You can't chase puts here. You can't there's no nothing. It's just a waste of time. Yep. That's what I'm gonna be taking with me into the weekend. That big waste of time. Big waste of time. I need more money. I need a better job. I need a better direction in life. I need a career. I need something that's actually meaningful. I need a way to learn and earn on the back end of doing so, instead of just earning like a mindless freak at work for 8 hours a day, staring at a wall, doing the same thing 50,000 times in a row. It's tiring. I'm over it. I want to be able to do something interesting, something useful, something meaningful. I want to be a part of something bigger than myself. I want to contribute to something more than myself. And I want to make money while learning. That's all I want in life. Trading is great. I love trading. I'm never going to stop. And investing specifically, trading is going to change over time. But the goal is to transition towards, towards the actual proper way of doing things, which takes time and it takes money. For now, I'm trying to come up. This account is back down below $50 because this contract's down to 11. Well, my account's at $58 right now, so it is what it is. But there's just no trade. What am I gonna do? Buy a call at the VWAP and scalp it? No, I'm not doing that. We have 10 minutes till close, literally. This is ass. Terrible. Missed a massive trade. Always miss that. But it's just so random. That has nothing to do with filling that gap feels so ridiculous to me. We gap down just to fill it 30 minutes later. I don't know. Everybody blows their account, but the people who you look up to, they have a couple 100,000 in their account, and so they don't blow it in quotes because they're only trading a couple thousand. They're only trading a couple $100 at a time, and when they win, it looks like they're smart, and when they lose, it doesn't affect them. You see what I'm saying? It's that simple. That's what they don't understand. That's what they won't tell you, and I'll tell you plainly. You need more money. You need to make more income. Once you can save up your first 100K, your life can change pretty quickly. And that's what they say. It's true. It's true. That's what I need to do, but I'm not sure how. The closest I got was with AMC back in 2021, and yeah, I don't even want. That's a whole story on its own. But yeah, no move, nothing, no trades. 9 minutes till close. Not even a 10-minute. I mean, I guess. No, we just dumped into the VWAP, into the 10-minute. So now it's a countdown. Somehow, the 657 call is still 12 cents. It just doesn't make sense. I might as well just get out, but I don't know. It's just whatever. I should just let it go to zero, but because whatever. It's I don't know. Why would I question taking the stop at 12 cents when it's $4 out the money with 8 minutes to close? I don't know. And there's no other trade. I would take another trade with the other buying power and stop out. I would stop out of this and take another trade if there was one, but there isn't. That's the problem. Oh, look, is it gonna just dump below the VWAP into the close? That's crazy, right? There's just no way to trade it though, because the contracts are expensive for no reason. $2 out the money is still $50. $3 off the money is 40 bucks. Like what? Okay. I don't know how anybody is trading this in a meaningful way. Besides futures, options, I mean. 0DT option. I mean, you could be swing trading. Swing trading is not going to work too good right now, but you can. I don't know. This market is difficult. I'm not going to lie. It's a struggle. Can't really pull anything out of it for the longest time. I've had a few really good months where I made a lot. Had a few months where I made a lot, but then like outside of those good months, it's just like getting fried. And the risk management is obviously resets you over and over. But the problem is that it's hard to keep that risk management up when your account is just so low. You're not able to trade properly without a certain amount of capital, like genuinely. So it just is what it is. There's a lot that goes into it, but it just sucks. I need more capital. I need to figure out how to turn nothing into something here. Well, damn. We gotta see what happens here. There's not. I mean, I don't know. Just pointless. Literally pointless. Like, should be doing something else, honestly. Down how much today? $24.50 down. Just down. Just cooked. Account's back to basically where it started, so. Yeah. Account is back to where it started. Isn't that wonderful? There's literally no way to take advantage of this, so I have to leave it. Wow. I can't believe these contracts are this expensive. Like, I don't know, maybe it's just because the market closes in 5 minutes, right? The market closes in 5 minutes, right? I'm not tripping. Yeah. Really don't know. Contracts are way overvalued and make no sense. It's like genuinely impossible to trade these contracts with this price action. Is there a way to trade this price action without automating it, doing quantitative algorithmic type of bot strategies? I don't know. Well, there was just no move. I mean, no trade. Well, it didn't work out the way that I was hoping. I really, really want to stop out of the trade, but it's like, I don't know, like, it's obviously just not going to work. I don't know. See if I could just stop out of it, like, whatever. I don't know if I can get filled at the right spot, though, maybe not. No. All right, I'm just gonna get out for $11. Take the loss. Down $24 on the trade there. Okay. 36 to 12. Great. Over an hour in the trade for no reason. Two minutes to close. It's just pointless. Counts back to $59.19. Literally back. Now it is officially red in total. That's amazing. Literally can't. Of course that would happen. Anyways. Well, that's it. So, don't even. Yeah, that's it. I guess. I don't know. I don't even want to trade with 50 bucks. It's just boring. It's so annoying. I don't even want to do it. So I don't know. We'll see. I'll think about if I want to keep trading with $50 with this account next week. I don't even know. Maybe I won't.